Welcome back. Whoa. Clear that. Let's clear it up. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. As my previous video stated that I have Randy's hatch. If you guys don't know who Randy is, then just watch the other video. I'm not gonna keep stressing on that. But anyways, yeah, let me show you this. Okay, so we took apart the motor because it was actually, when you accelerate, oil was spilling all over the place. So I thought it was a bad piston. Well, we thought it was a bad piston, me and my friend, which we were wrong. It was actually a blown head gasket. So replacing that. I just want to say, yo, Randy, boy, this shit is clean, boy. Like, woo, that's fresh. I was surprised. You know, a lot of these Honda people be like, yeah, man, everything's built, whatever. I know he told my friend Josh when he bought the car that it was rebuilt, like stock. He put everything stock, obviously. But yeah, so this is like everything out. Turbo, catch can, and I just gotta clean up the hood. And you see what happened when Josh got the car. He actually crashed it. Well, not Josh, but his brother crashed it. This fender was destroyed, but I already replaced it. I just gotta get this hood and everything's back to normal. But yeah, man. And I'm gonna replace this old school header, turbo header, and get a ram horn. But and then probably get some street tires on the bad boy and then get it retuned. Yeah, man. And I'm eventually gonna paint it white again. And that's pretty much it, man. Just wanted to give y'all a breakdown on it. Probably when this video's out, the car's gonna be assembled again, and then I'll make another video present day. But this is gonna be in my files, X files. I just wanted to show y'all all this stuff. And I know Josh was saying that Randy said that his cam seals weren't sealed right, so I'm probably gonna get that situated since everything's out. And as far as upgrading anything, I'm not gonna do that yet, but eventually I will. So for now, we're just gonna put everything that Randy had in the car back in it. Just upgrade the head gasket, and I'm going to get ARP head studs, new ones, just because. And I'm going to clean these injectors, because when you have a turbo car, you're supposed to get them clean frequently. At least that's what I was told. So I'm going to get them clean. I don't know if Randy did it. I know Josh didn't, so I'm going to get those cleaned. What else? Eventually going to get a intake manifold, bigger one. And I think that's pretty much it, because the head is freaking sweet. The block is sweet too. And probably change the intercooler, but that's going to be later down the road. We ain't touching anything right now. And yeah, man, hopefully I can keep this car. I mean, I really don't like EK hatches. As you guys know, I used to have a blue one and I traded it for an EK coupe, which I sold that already. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, man, I like EG hatches, so I don't know, maybe I'll trade it, maybe I'll buy a shell and then just swap everything over and give the shell to my boy. I don't know yet, but I don't know, we'll see what the future holds. And for sure, I'm gonna take that wing off right there. Yeah, I don't want that on there. And all the remaining stickers that Josh didn't take off for some reason. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I just want to give y'all a breakdown on the car, what I did. And in case you guys don't think it's Randy's hatch, this is his valve cover. You can probably watch it on some of the vlogs or whatever on Zosh's channel. But yeah, that's disgusting. But yeah, gonna get everything situated. Like I said, when this video is out, the car will be running again for sure. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Gonna get all the new parts I just said I was gonna get, and we're gonna see how this runs. I know it was tuned at like 3-ish when Josh did it, so we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna go to a different tuner than he went to, and I'm gonna, try to get to where I want to get. I'm not gonna really post what I made. I just want it to be a surprise, but eventually people are gonna find out, because people do. It's not a surprise. But yeah, so that's that, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.